Lake Olahi, tonight, windy. Northeast winds 20 to 30 miles per hour. Patchy blowing snow early in the evening. Areas are blowing snow late in the evening, then patchy blowing snow after midnight. Snow through the night. Cloudy. Lows around 9. Wednesday, breezy. North winds 15 to 25 miles per hour decreasing to around 10 miles per hour late in the afternoon. Patchy blowing snow early in the morning. Chance of snow in the morning. Mostly cloudy. Highs around 14. Here are the weather conditions at 8 p.m. Central Standard Time. Bismarck, light snow and fog were reported, visibility 1 mile. Temperature 21 degrees, relative humidity 88%. Wind northeast at 22 miles an hour, gusting to 30, wind chill 5. Pressure 29.65 inches and rising. Mandan, light snow is falling. 19 degrees, relative humidity 100%. Wind east at 21 miles an hour, gusting to 31, wind chill 3. Hazen, rain was falling. 19 degrees, relative humidity 93%. Wind east at 17 miles an hour, gusting to 28, wind chill 4. Harvey, light snow is falling. 16 degrees, relative humidity 45%. Wind east at 13 miles an hour, wind chill 2. Minot, mostly cloudy. 16 degrees, relative humidity 74%. Wind northeast at 12 miles an hour, wind chill 3. Dickinson, light snow and fog were reported, visibility 3/4 of a mile. 20 degrees, relative humidity 92%. Wind northeast at 18 miles an hour, gusting to 30, wind chill 5. Elsewhere around North Dakota, at Fargo, snow was falling with a temperature of 21. It was 17 at Garrison. It was cloudy with a temperature of 16 at Williston, 20 at Grand Forks, and 18 at Devil's Lake. At Jamestown, snow and fog were reported with a temperature of 19. In northern South Dakota, skies ranged from mostly cloudy to cloudy, and the temperatures were 31 degrees. In eastern Montana, at Miles City, it was mostly cloudy with a temperature of 27. At Glendive, snow and fog were reported with a temperature of 24. At Sydney, snow and fog were reported with a temperature of 19. Once again, at Bismarck, the temperature was 21 degrees with light snow and fog. The Bismarck, North Dakota climate summary for this evening, as of 5 p.m., February 28, 2023. Today's high temperature of 27 degrees occurred at 4:21 p.m. The record high is 59 degrees, which was set in 1924. Today's low temperature of 2 degrees occurred at 7:11 a.m. The record low is -34 degrees, which was set in 1962. 0.19 inches of precipitation fell today, which brings the monthly total to 0.63 inches. The total precipitation for the year now stands at 0.83 inches. There were 50 heating degree days today. The yearly total since July 1st is 6,554. There were no cooling degree days today. The yearly total since January 1st is 0. The normal high temperature for tomorrow is 33 degrees, and the normal low is 13. The record high for tomorrow is 70, which occurred in 1992, and the record low is -28, which occurred in 1962. Sunset tonight is at 6:27 p.m. Sunrise tomorrow is at 7:23 a.m. Now, some additional climate information for the region. Here are the high temperatures reported so far today. Bismarck had 27. The high at Williston was 24. Dickinson had 28. Jamestown reported 26. Minot had 19. The high Garrison was 23. In Hettinger, the high was 32. Here are the morning low temperature readings. Bismarck had 2. The low at Williston was 6. Dickinson had 9. Jamestown reported 2. Minot had 6. The low at Garrison was 0. In Hettinger, the low was 10. Here are some 24-hour precipitation reports across the region. Bismarck reported 0.19. Garrison reported 0.01. Bismarck had 2.9 inches of snowfall. Winter storm warning for the following counties in North Dakota: Burley, Dickey, Emmons, Grant, Kidder, Lemoore, Logan, McIntosh, Morton, Oliver, Sioux, and Stutzman. Winter storm warning remains in effect until noon Central Standard Time or 11 a.m. Mountain Standard Time Wednesday. What? Heavy snow expected. Total snow accumulations between 6 and 9 inches. Winds gusting as high as 40 miles per hour. Where? Much of south central and southeastern North Dakota, including the James River Valley. When? Until noon Central Standard Time or 11 a.m. Mountain Standard Time Wednesday. The following impacts are expected. Travel will be very difficult. Widespread blowing snow will significantly reduce visibility. If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight, food, and water in your vehicle in case of an emergency. The latest road conditions can be obtained by calling 511. Winter weather advisory for the following counties in North Dakota: Adams, Billings, Bowman, Dunn, Foster, Golden Valley, Hettinger, McLean, Mercer, Sheridan, Slope, Stark, and Wells. Winter weather advisory remains in effect until noon Central Standard Time or 11 a.m. Mountain Standard Time Wednesday. What? Snow and blowing snow expected. Total snow accumulations between 3 and 6 inches with locally higher amounts possible. Winds gusting as high as 35 miles per hour. Where? Much of southwest and south central North Dakota, including the northern James River Valley. When? Until noon Central Standard Time or 11 a.m. Mountain Standard Time Wednesday. The following impacts are expected. Plan on slippery road conditions. Areas of blowing snow will significantly reduce visibility, especially as snow is falling. Additional details: narrow bands of heavier snow, greater than 6 inches, are possible, though there is uncertainty in the exact location of potentially greater snow amounts at this time. Stay up to date with the forecast, as expected snow accumulations may change in some locations. Slow down and use caution while traveling. The latest road conditions can be obtained by calling 511. The regional weather forecast from your National Weather Service office in Bismarck. A storm system will bring accumulating snow to the region through Wednesday morning, along with increasing east to northeast winds. The heavier snow will fall across south central and southeastern North Dakota, with moderate accumulations elsewhere over parts of the region. Travel will be impacted due to the snow and blowing snow through Wednesday morning, before conditions improve from west to east Wednesday into Thursday. Temperatures will also trend colder into Wednesday, before moderating again Thursday and for this coming weekend. Here is the forecast for the Bismarck, Mend, and listening area. Winter storm warning in effect until noon Central Standard Time Wednesday. Tonight, snow. Areas are blowing and drifting snow. Brisk. Snow accumulation of 4 to 8 inches. Lows 5 to 10 above. Northeast winds 15 to 25 miles per hour with gusts up to 35 miles per hour. Wednesday, mostly cloudy with snow likely in the morning, then partly sunny in the afternoon. Colder. New snow accumulation around an inch. Highs 10 to 15. Northeast winds 5 to 15 miles per hour with gusts up to 25 miles per hour. Chance of snow 60%. Wednesday night, increasing clouds. Lows near zero. Northeast winds around 5 miles per hour, becoming southeast after midnight. Thursday, partly sunny. Highs in the mid-20s. South winds 5 to 15 miles per hour. Thursday night, mostly cloudy. Not as cold. Lows 15 to 20. South winds 10 to 15 miles per hour.